Hello Goenkans, let us continue our study of chapter polynomial, and our topic today is identities. We will try to apply these identities in certain questions that will give you an idea how to apply these identities in various types of questions. The first question which I have given here is 998 raised power 3, and the question says evaluate. So we have to evaluate this. To evaluate 998 raised power 3, we have a simple method that we will multiply 998 in 3 times. But the question is being here asked to evaluate with the help of identities. So we will convert this 998 into an identity, and we know 998 is 2 less than 1000. So we will write it 1000 minus 2 raised power 3. Then we will use the identity a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here a is 1000 and b is 2. So we write 1000 minus 2 raised power 3, 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2. So then you will simply simplify it. 1000 cube means we have 9 zeros here. Then 2 cube means 8. 3 into 2 means 6 into 1000, 6000 into 1000 minus 2. Then multiply by this 1000 to the 1002. You get 6 lakh, 60 lakh, and 6 to the 12,000. Then you will add up all these negative numbers and you will get this 6012008. Then subtract, you will get the value of this question. Okay, this was simple simplification after using the particular identity. So the question is here to understand which identity you will use for a particular question. So you have to convert first a particular question into a particular identity. Then you have to decide future line of action. Then another question is here given, factorize. Factorize 27p cube minus 1216 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. 27 is the cube of 3. So you write 3p raised power 3 minus 1 upon 6 cube. Okay, because 216 is the cube of 6. So you have got here a as 3p and b as 1 by 6. So a cube minus b cube you have got. Now we'll use minus 3ab into a plus a minus b. So write 3 formula, then 3p as a and 1 by 6 as b. So it will become now 3ab. Then a minus b. A again you will write 3p and b you will write 1 by 6. So you will then simply simplify it. 3p cube here means you have to multiply 3p 3 times. So don't do it like this way, otherwise you will get the same thing here what we have been given a question. So now you will look at this expansion. It is just like a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which is just like this identity. So you write a minus b whole cube for this whole expansion. So a is here 3p, b is 1 by 6 raised power 3. So this is our factor. Similarly, one more question I have given here which will make you understand how to apply the identity for a particular question. So question is, without actually collecting the cubes, find the value of the following question. So look here, we have been given a question minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube, and we are being told to evaluate it without multiplying or calculating the cubes directly. So here we will not directly calculate the cube like this. We will multiply 12 3 times, 7 3 times, and 5 3 times, then we will add and subtract. In that way we also get the answer, but the question is here without calculating the cubes. So it means he is asking us to use an identity. So we know the identity that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So we will first check whether a, b and c, if their sum is equal to 0 or not. So we write minus 12, then 7, then 5, and we will add them up. We will get 0 as their answer or result. So it means a plus b plus c is here equal to what? 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So 3, then a is 12 as it is given here, b is 7, so write 7, c is 5, write 7, 5, then multiply them together, you will get what? You will get the answer as minus 12 1260. Then another question is being given here. It is, if volume of cuboid is being given 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k, then find the dimensions of cuboid. Okay, you know cuboid is a three-dimensional figure, so we need to find length, breadth and height here. So take the question here, 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So first of all, we will take the common term which is present in all these three terms, that is 4k. So 4k will be taken as common. So what remains? 4 3s are 12y square, 4 2s are 8y, then 4 5s are 20. Okay. Then afterwards you will find that we have here a quadratic polynomial. We will find its factors by splitting the middle term. So in place of 2y you write 5y minus 3y. Okay, and you know how to get them with the help of constant and the coefficient of y square. Then take common between these two terms, you will get y as common, and then we get 3y plus 5 here. Similarly, for these two terms, take minus 1 common, you get 3y plus 5 here. So 4k, then 3y plus 5 and y minus 1 will be our factors of this polynomial. Now since we have to get the dimensions, so length will be what? 4k. So 4k is our length. Breadth will be what? 3y plus 5. Okay, and the third dimension will be height, y minus 1. So in this way you can get the dimensions of a cuboid. Hope you have understood. Now do all the questions of this exercise. That will complete our chapter polynomial. Inshallah, we'll start the new chapter from tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye, Goenkans.